India's venture capital, that is VC landscape, has undergone a substantial transformation marked by a considerable downturn in funding activity during January to July 2023. The country saw a stark decline of 42.9% in VC deal volume with a corresponding plummet of 72.5% in disclosed funding value compared to the same period in 2022. This unsettling trend amidst broader economic uncertainties paints a challenging picture for the country's startup ecosystem. Welcome to Varindia News Hour. Indian startups witnessed a significant fall in business funding in the first half of 2023, that is from January to June, by raising only $3.8 billion during the 6-month period, a massive decline of 36% as compared to the fundraising in H1 of 2022. Last year, Indian startups raised $5.9 billion in the first half. As per Global Data Survey, VC funding deals volume has declined year on year from 1,128 to 644. The corresponding disclosed deal value fell year on year from $16 billion to $4.4 billion. India is a key APAC market for VC funding activity and stands just next to China in terms of deals volume as well as value. Moreover, it is among the top 5 global markets for VC funding activity. However, the startup ecosystem in the country is currently facing challenges in raising capital due to dent in investor sentiment. The decline of VC funding value by close to one-fourth signals the turbulent times the country's startups are going through due to increased investor cautiousness amid the prevailing macroeconomic challenges and uncertain market conditions. India accounted for 5.1% of the total number of VC deals announced globally during January to July 2023, while its share of the corresponding deal value stood at 3.1%. As India remains a pivotal player in the global VC arena, fostering an environment of renewed investor trust and nurturing entrepreneurial ingenuity will be crucial for India's journey towards revitalizing its venture capital landscape. Let's look into today's headlines. WhatsApp now supports sharing of HD videos. WhatsApp has rolled out the ability to share videos in HD on both Android and iOS. The HD video feature can be toggled on when users are about to share the video with others. Until now, videos on the platform were limited to 480 pixels, but now users can enable the 720 pixels option. Users should tap the HD button on the top of the screen when uploading a video to share in HD quality along with the associated file size. AMD brings RX 7800 XT and RX 7700 XT GPUs for $499 and $449. AMD has added 2 new GPUs to its Radeon RX 7000 series, that is RX 7800 XT and RX 7700 XT, priced at $499 and $449, that is roughly rupees 41,200 and rupees 37,000 respectively. The new GPUs are based on AMD's new NAVI 32 GPU and can comfortably run the latest titles on 1440 pixels, that is 2K. The mid-range cards will be available in the market from September 6th and will soon be followed by the company's upcoming Hyper RX-enabled drivers. YouTube to start offering podcasters RSS uploads. To improve the podcasting experience, YouTube is introducing really simple syndication, that is RSS uploads for podcasters. By the end of the year, the new feature which will allow podcasters to share their material publicly will be accessible. In order to enable users to effortlessly enjoy podcasts on the platform, YouTube also wants to provide more podcast functionality to YouTube Music. Google Keep supports text formatting on Android. Text style choices on Google Keep for Android now includes bold, italics, underline, and strike through. Version history is now included in this update to track note changes. Google Keep, renowned for its simplicity and ability to integrate with other products, has long been lacking these features but is now introducing them. Google made it possible to open several Keep windows earlier this year. The Delhi High Court advises not to use ChatGPT for legal decision making. The Delhi High Court issued a warning against using artificial intelligence in place of human intelligence when making judicial decisions. In a lawsuit brought by Christian Louboutin, the court refused to rely on ChatGPT's responses, pointing out the constraints and probable flaws of AI generated data. According to the court, AI can be used for preliminary study or comprehension, but not for legal or factual matters. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.